The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall.
The number anymore. I didn't write the number down, so I had lost my contact. So I would need a number. I had lost a lot of contacts.
The number is. Are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Okay, you're gonna write down.
And who am I speaking with when I call?
You're talking to John. All right.
John.
Now what you're doing right? Yes. What you're gonna do? We're gonna be on the line with you. So we will be on the line with you, processing this to make sure that you're on the right track, and we'll be on the line until even tomorrow when this is gonna be done. Having you pay out, we will be on the line deducting the presentation. So what I want you to do is keep the line open and see if you could be able to have that done. That's all, okay?
Yes, I'll be able to get it done, sir.
35 minutes?
No, 45 minutes, sir. 45 minutes, because I still got to drive to the store.
Let me know when you're in your vehicle, okay? Hello?
Yes. You say that again. Say that again, John.
I want you to keep the line open and let me know when you're in your vehicle, okay, Daniel?
So you want me to stay on the phone with you the whole time?
Yes, we'll be on the line until you have it done, okay?
I'm telling.
The call will be paid for. Alright, just keep the line open and have it done.
The call will be paid for?
Right. You don't have to worry about the minutes or anything on your phone like that, alright? Just keep the line open and have it done. Alright?
Yo, Mr. John, let me tell you something. Go suck your mother and stop trying to scam people. Bumbuckler, pussy wall. Don't call up my phone. I'm dead if you dead pussy. Go suck your mother if you see me rich me gun in your bumbuckler face. I try to scam hard working man. Wait. Yo, I yard you then, I go send my brother them come fuck you up. Remember that. Yo, me not care. Me not care. Me not care we have a foreign, a military man in, I send them so I can gun them down. Bumbuckler. Wait till me. Full up, yo. I target that. Remember that poster wall. You should have never give me her name. I try to come scam big bad man. I want to you. Y'all go on like say I own alone in the scamming business. Guess what? And John, remember some tell you poster wall. Man, I'm militant. You see me? Man is a listen. I don't want to kill people. You can't kill me. You can't kill my poster wall. Me I send my fam come sort you. Get a blood clot pH. Run. You not even know where me come. You not even know where me come from. A yard faster wall. Yo, let me tell you something. If you come a foreign right now, I'm dead. Listen, may I tell her, my sense that the family would kill me. Let me tell you something. If you come a foreign right now, I'm dead. Remember that. Trump. Yo, let me tell you something. Man, I'm militant. Oh, you gonna voodoo me, motherfucker? That's what you gonna do? You gonna voodoo me? You a clown, nigga. Go eat some pussy somewhere. The fuck is wrong with you niggas?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Seriousskilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, viewers and subscribers, I have another video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I present that video to you, my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to explain a little bit about this video that I just presented to you. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, I just presented to you a video that is out on social media, and according to some of the things that I've seen in the video and according to some of the things that has been said about this video on social media, it would seem as if someone that is considered to be a scammer was trying to scam a person that is considered to be a Jamaican living overseas. Now, this video is out on social media where some things have been said about this video, you know what I mean? Like, you know, scammer at it again, and the scammer get disrespected, and why people do scamming, and a lot of things have been said about this video on social media. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I present that video to you so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think, alright? And the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, it is out on social media as well, and this video is actually a video that shows of somewhat of a argument between police officers and citizens of Jamaica. Is what I'm saying to you. Now, I did a previous video that shows of this same situation where citizens of Jamaica were arguing with police officers at a certain location in the country of Jamaica, you know, and this video now is actually a different camera angle from the previous video that I did about this whole situation, or this whole thing that had happened, where it is said that the citizens of Jamaica were arguing with police officers that is of Jamaica as well. This video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to what has been said on social media, is that this had happened in the country of Jamaica, and according to what has been said on social media is that this video shows of citizens that were angry at the police because it is said that the police had done something to a person. Now, I don't have any information exactly as to how many police officers were involved in what had happened, but however, viewers and subscribers, I'm telling you according to what has been said on social media about this video. Now, I'm going to show you this video right about now, but please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, alright? Observe.
What's your what am I for your lick on the man for?
Hey, move! Hey, on the ground here, you know.
When I come to a walk and I beat the man, where I beat the man for? Go along the man of him car, not just see man with car.
Taxi, they actually married the taxi.
But look how long the man of him car. I saw the deal with people. I saw the deal with people. This man.
Yeah, him. If there's a move away, sir.
You're about your man.
I'm a island for him. I'm a island for him. Hey, you,
You're done, sir.
yes, boy. He's a educated dance. He's an educated dance. He's a educated dance. You is an educated dance. You is an educated dance. And no better educated dance out there.
I said, boy, come now, say Molly. And he come accumulate. Come accumulate. I'm a sick boy. And him coming at us.
Speech you have in our country, yes, man.
I don't need no, he did it that in Harry.
Everybody please to chat. I don't want to leave people to chat. Yes, man. Where are the man for? Where are these man for? Now, all right, you beat the man. Now, right.
Look out, look out, Uber teeth. You love chat, you can't go no teeth.
Over 1 million camera, I'm not back up.
We not here like you neither. We not here like you neither.
like this, I don't give a fuck neither.
Pussy burn up with the lip. Oh, you're squatting on behave like you feel like. You're my brother, you want to get striped off of waist, man.
And my brother, you want to get striped off of your friend now.
Oh, man, you have strength, that's a big yellow beat in a boy.
Lift them to the store.
I like your thing. I like your thing. I'm glad one night.
Big yellow beat. What's the mic here and put me to your store? Me a waste of time.
Me are the same. Me are the same.
Sunday. And your same live. The same live. And the same live. And the same live.
You want to come in the house?
No.
Fire your gun.
No.
Larissa, my brother no bad blood. My brother no bad man. No, you're not me. My brother, you want to stripe off an idiot boy.
You live like pussy bunny top.
Why you not behave like that idiot boy there? Idiot. My brother hard-working man fool. Idiots. Don't gun police boy. They want to go look for man that wants to for them man come for them. My brother, you want to get striped off of idiot.
No. We are putting your parchment paper. We are putting your parchment paper. Parchment paper here. Then I want one same name. Hey, remember, Batty boy, you get your one. You get your one. Don't worry, you get your one. You're going to get your one.
Corruption,
you will get your one. You will get your one. Blood straight to come. Because you're my man, I'm work for you.
Don't get me carried. The officer them are
yeah, you too much. You too much.
bad man always shoot people. And then if you don't look at me, you're a hard-working man.
And them can't talk when do. When do.
Yeah, yes, bad man. Go to Rockford. Go to Rockford to the car and go up there.
Out of town and tear them out of the man can't get it already.
Hey, boy, I tell you this. Hey, boy, I tell you this.
Hey, my lord, remember you get it back.
Legal for video for never know that. You never know that.
I never know what officer. How the policeman chat to people with the talk.
Yes,
I don't have life for corruption. You have in the corruption. Once mommy come down from the follow.
Sophia, ease yourself. Lixino. Lixino. time wrong for the game. Boy. Go on in the Sophia. Go on in the Sophia. Go in there. Go in there. Don't left your picnic. Sophia, stop the ball in. Sophia, stop the ball in. Sophia, stop the ball in. Sophia, firm in yourself. Sophia, firm in yourself. Stop the ball in. You're going in the wrong door. Sophia, stop the ball in. Stop the ball, Sophia. One on fire,
Bust in the whole house.
no, action not the red man. Keep going.
Come on, if we got to back, we're going to have to attack on the roadside.
Yeah, come on. You mad?
Well, there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skill. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted, make you know what I want. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.